Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus Almeri Academy. In the previous chapter, we have just talked about numbers, natural number, composite number, prime number, whole number. And we have also discussed of some properties of number for the purpose of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And these properties are closure property, associative property, distributive property, so on. Now in this session of video, we will discuss about the solution of practice 2.2. This session of video is especially for standard 6B subject mathematics. So let us see some questions of this exercise that help you to solve the rest of questions of this exercise. So see carefully this solved question by me. The question number 1. Apply the properties and find the sum of the following. A. 25, 85 plus 45. There are three numbers given. So in order to solve this question, you just add any two number of them. Here we add 85 and 45 together. 25 plus 85 plus 45. This type of property is called associative property. So 25 plus 85 plus 45 is equal to 130. 130 plus 25 is equal to 155. So we have already applied here an associative property to solve this question. This is suitable property to be used for the solution of this type of question. Now V number 28 plus 44 plus 72. Now we apply here the same type of property, associative property. We add two number 28 and 72 together. So 28 plus 72 plus 54 is equal to 100. 100 plus 54 is equal to 154. Now the question number 2. Determine the product using distributive property. The first question is 208 into 9. In order to solve this question using distributive property, we just apply a formula here. A into B plus C or A into B minus C here. This is the suitable formula of distributive property to be applied here for the solutions of this type of questions given here. So 208 into 9 is equal to 208 post 10 minus 1. Now 208 into bracket 10 minus 1. Then you will multiply 208 into 10. And then after minus 208 into 1. Minus 208 into 1. Here we get the product of 208 and 10 is 280 minus 208. Now we subtract 208 from 280. We get here 2, 7 and this one 8 and 1. Now you can also check this one whether the answer is correct or not. You just add this one. Now the question number B of 2, 75 into 108. So we write this number as 75 into 100 plus 3. We just multiply 75 into 100 and 75 into 3. So we write here 75 into 100 plus 75 into 3. We get the product of 75 and 100 here as 7500, and this one 225. We add both the number together, we get here 7725. Now the next question number 3. Find the product using distributive property over addition or subtraction. There are 3 numbers given. So the product of 25 into 4 into 12 is equal to what? So we just here write here 25 into 4 into 12. So 4 into 12 is equal to 48. 25 into 48. We can also write 48 as 50 minus 2. So 25 into 50 minus 2 is equal to 25 into 50 minus 25 into 2. Here we get the product of 25 and 50 as 1250, and this one 50 is equal to 1200. So the product of 25 into 4, the product of 25, 4 and 12 is here 1200. In the same way we can solve the question number B here. 34 into, when we subtract 4 from 14 we get 10. So 14 into 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Now we can write 34 as 30 plus 4 into 10. We just multiply 30 and 10 together. 30 into 10 is equal to 300. 4 into 10, 40. 300 plus 40 is equal to 340. Now the next question. Take 3 whole numbers 6, 8 and 4 and check if A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Suppose here A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8, C is equal to 4. Then left hand side A into B into C is equal to, we put the values of A here 6 into, put the values of B 8 and then C, value of C. 6 8 is 48 into 4, 192. So product of 48 and 4 is here 192. We also check the right hand side. We also get the product of right hand side. So here we put the values of A, then after we put here value of B and C together. So 6 into this one, we also get the product of 6, 8 and 4 here 192. Hence their LHS is equal to RHS. So this one checked. Now we see some more questions here. Question number 6. Extend the next 4 rows of the following pattern. 9 into 9 plus 7 is equal to 88. 98 into 9 plus 6 is equal to 888. We just write here 9 and then after one more less than 9. One more number here less than 9. So 98. 98 into 9 and we'll write here 1 less than 7. 6. We write here 3 8s. Again we write 98 here and 1 less digit then 8 7. So 987 into 9 and we write 1 less than 6 here 5. We write here 8 fours. In the same way we write here 987 and 1 less than 7 here 6 into 9. Plus we write 1 less than 5 here 4. We write here 5 eighths. In the same way we follow the process. We write here 98765 into 9 and 1 less than 4 3 here and we write here 6 8. In the same way we write here 98765 4 into 9 and we write here 1 less than 3 2. We write here 7 eighths. In the same way we write here 98765 3 here. One number increase in the next order into 9 plus we write 1 less than 2 1 here. We write here 8 eighths. In the same way we write here 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 and 2 here into 9 and 1 less than 1 0 here. We write 9 zeros. So 1 2 3 4 these are 4 next rows of the following pattern. I hope you have understood all the questions which are being solved in this practice. You will solve all the rest of questions by just seeing the solved questions. That helps you to understand or solve the rest of the questions in your notebook. So thank you for watching this video. In the next session of video we will discuss practice 3. So you will also solve the assessment. There are some more questions that help you to boom your knowledge, strengthen your knowledge in mathematics and also help you to get your grip over the subject. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.